Canada is a growing country. It has a strong economy. This means there is always a need for workers. General labor jobs are plentiful. These jobs are in high demand. They offer a great way to start your life in Canada. Whether you are a skilled tradesperson or new to the workforce, there are opportunities for you. Canada values hard work. It welcomes newcomers with open arms. With the right attitude and a little effort, you can find a general labor job. This can be your first step towards building a successful life in Canada. Don't hesitate to explore the possibilities. Searching for a job can feel overwhelming. Knowing where to look is key. In Canada, several resources are available to help you. Online job boards are a great place to start. Websites like Indeed, JobBank, and Monster list thousands of jobs. Recruitment agencies can also be helpful. These agencies connect job seekers with employers. They specialize in general labor positions. Don't overlook company websites. Many companies post job openings directly. Visiting the careers section of their websites can lead to potential opportunities. General labor jobs encompass a variety of roles. These jobs often involve physical tasks. They are essential to many industries. Two common types are factory and warehouse jobs. Factory jobs involve production line work. This could include assembling products. It might involve packaging goods. Warehouse jobs focus on logistics. Tasks include loading and unloading trucks. They also involve organizing inventory. Section 4, your earning potential, hourly pay rates. The hourly pay for general labor jobs in Canada varies. It depends on the province and the specific job. On average, you can expect to earn between $15 and $20 per hour. Some provinces have a higher minimum wage. Experience and skills can also influence pay. As you gain experience, you can expect your earning potential to increase. Section 5, tips for newcomers, navigating the job market. Finding a job in a new country comes with unique challenges. Here are some tips for newcomers. Learn some basic French if you are moving to Quebec. This will make your job search easier. Networking is crucial. Attend job fairs and connect with people in your field. Highlight your transferable skills. Even if you don't have experience in Canada, your previous work experience is valuable. Be prepared to start with entry-level positions. This will help you gain Canadian work experience. With hard work and perseverance, you can establish a successful career in Canada.